Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to solve this issue of Chrome browser not opening. This is my Google Chrome browser, so anytime that I double click to open it, it is not opening, and even when I right click to open, still it doesn't open. And as you can see on my taskbar here, it is tagged on my taskbar, so if I try opening it, it is not opening. So most of the times what happens is that when there is too much pressure on the browser or a file is being corrupted within its path where the installation files of Chrome browser is located. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. First thing for us to have access is that we just have to terminate every process or whatever action that the Chrome browser is working on. To do that, it's just easy. Now just click on your start and open and click on Task Manager. Once your Task Manager opens, just go to here, and then as you can see, we are on processes, right? So any Chrome tab that you found on your processes here, just terminate it. Just terminate any Chrome browser tab that you found on these processes, right? So as I said, so my Chrome browser is here, so you can see these are different tabs, but they are all together in this here. So I'll just right click on this and then end task. So you can see it's still there, so just right click on it, end task. Right. Once you end the task like that, definitely it's going to terminate whatever action that the Chrome browser is on. So you just scroll down to be sure that every Chrome tab is closed on this Task Manager processes. So once done, just close this, and then on the shortcut on your desktop, just right click on it and then open file location. So once you open file location, you see this file, just right click on it and rename it. Just right click on it and rename it. Just go to more and then rename it. So you can say Chrome browser. I click on this. Now once it's been done, so just once you rename it, just right click on it and then go to send or send. Click on show more option and send. Now we click on desktop into brackets create shortcut. So click on that. The shortcut is here. So once the shortcut is being created, now this one here, just delete that. Right click on it and delete it. Right. Once you delete it, close this. Now you can use this one to replace that one. So you now open. Right. And as you can see, our Chrome browser is now working perfectly normal. So if I right click and open again, you can see it's still working. So that is just how easy and simple it is to solve your Chrome browser not opening in Windows 11. If this video was helpful to you, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.